Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Debasree and today we are going to learn an easy impasto painting. Impasto is a technique used in painting where paint is laid on a surface thickly using a knife or a brush. When the thick paint dries, impasto provides texture and the paint appears to be coming out of the canvas. Impasto looks so beautiful yet so intimidating to create, and so in this video I am going to show you in a step-by-step guidance how to create this easy impasto beach painting. Alright, let's get started. I am using a 6 by 8 inches canvas board for today's painting demo, a palette paper to mix the paint on and a knife to create the textures. The colors I am using are white, two colors for the sea, aqua green and manganese blue, and two colors for the beach, portrait pink and yellow ochre. I am starting by laying a thick layer of white on the canvas and then mix both portrait pink and yellow ochre to create the beach first. So I am mixing either the pink or the yellow ochre along with white on the board, or you can mix the colors together on the plate and create a beautiful color that you like and then apply that color on the canvas. Either way is fine, it's up to you, whatever is your individual choice. Run the knife on the canvas in your desired direction and give it a couple of strokes. Just remember not to give too many strokes, otherwise the strokes that you just created will be lost. So whenever you think you like the stroke, you can stop there, or you can just go over it just to give the desired direction of the painting that you're creating. Once you have laid a couple of layers of colors, gently move the knife in the direction. So here I am moving it in the direction to create the texture of the beach. So I'm making a smooth movement of the knife. I also like to add a little bit of color on the sides of the canvas board to make it look in continuation with the painting. Here I'm adding another thick layer of white paint on top of the previous base layer. Remember, impasto is all about laying layer after layer of colors. So whenever you are laying the topmost layer, make sure to go very gently on your canvas so that it doesn't mix completely with the previous layers that you have laid. We don't want the colors to be mixing and blending with each other a lot. So that's why you have to be very gentle with your top layers. Okay, so the beach part is done. So time to clean off the knife and start with the blue. So I am starting by mixing manganese blue with a lot of white to create the bluish tinge of the ocean part. And after that, I am going to add the aqua green color. So like I said, I like mixing the colors on my canvas rather than mixing it on the palette, but I'm doing both the techniques so that you can understand what I'm talking about, and then you can decide and see which one you like to do. And now I am adding the aqua green mixed with a lot of white. Remember, impasto needs a lot of paint. And by a lot, I mean a lot. You cannot paint impasto with a less amount of paint. Okay, so here I am mixing a lot of white with a little bit of aqua green to create this light pastel shade of blue, which I love. So this is the color I love, and but if you like dark blue color, feel free to use just a lot of blue color. But I am mixing a lot of white with the blues to create this very calming blue shade, which is like a pastel blue color. Okay, now picking up a lot of white and trying to create the white waves on the beach. Okay, so picking up a lot of just white with a little bit of blue remaining from the previous steps, and that's fine. And my focus is on adding lots of white on the canvas now. Move your knife very gently and create the wavy texture of the waves on the beach. After creating the white waves on the beach, I'm creating some of the white foamy waves in the middle of the sea as well. So I'm trying to give the wavy direction. So I'm not trying to keep the knife absolutely straight while moving it, and I'm trying to move it in a little bit of wavy direction to create the wave lines. If you're enjoying watching, hit the like button and let me know by commenting below. Or if you have any question, feel free to ask me. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. I think now all the fun stuff starts. So this is where the painting starts looking really beautiful. So move your knife very gently, and move it in the direction that you want. So here I'm trying to create, so you can see I have a lot of paint on my canvas. So even if I don't add any more paint, it's totally fine. But still I'm going to add a lot of white on top of it to top it up with a thick texture of white to create the waves. Now almost all the colors have been added to the canvas. Now what I'm doing is just maneuvering my knife to give the desired direction of the waves and creating some more wavy lines in between. Alright, now the beach and the wave is done, and now I'm going to create the tiny people on the beach. So for that I am taking out red, yellow and blue, just the three primary colors. So I'm going to mix and match these three colors to create all the possible colors that I need to create this colorful beach vibe. So I'm just mixing all the colors and creating different colors like orange, green, pink, by mixing all these colors with black and white. And I'm just creating some small dots on the canvas, some in horizontal directions, some in vertical directions, different types of strokes. So I'm not getting into the detail of creating the human bodies, but I'm just creating small strokes on the canvas here and there. So this part you can do as much you like, as less as you like. So depending on what you want, you can do more number of people or less number of people by adding these small strokes. So I'm just going to speed up the painting over here so you can watch and understand that how I'm adding all these small strokes on the canvas, and after some time it's just going to start looking so vibrant, full of so many people on the beach hanging out. So all these big bright colors are basically umbrellas on the beach where people are lying under. So have fun in this process and create this beautiful Impasto Beach painting. I had so much fun creating this painting, and you should totally give it a try. If you're enjoying watching this kind of videos, make sure to hit the like button because it really helps me understand what is it that you guys want to watch. And lastly, if you want to see more such videos, then you should hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching.